It was around 30 minutes to midnight. Then MC told us that we should go up and watch fireworks from the parking up. Then as we were going up, they told us, now you have to go back. So some people had already reached the parking, so they forced them to come back to the main hall. So that pressure from up and the pressure from down led to loss of breath to some colleagues of ours, which led to their death. I expect like around 15 people could have died in that incident. I lost a friend of mine by the name of Margaret Nakatumba because I'd gone with her. Yeah, I found her there. She was enjoying, she was having fun, but due to loss of breath, she lost her breath and eventually she died.
Last night at Freedom City, or this morning, it was this morning, at around midnight, when time for, at Freedom City, they had organized a concert. This concert was organized by Abitex and it attracted a lot of people. People came in large numbers, and the concert was going on well. Security was there. People were behaving. There was no any problem. But when time came at when midnight reached, the MC announced that yes, it's now coming to midnight, time for fireworks. They had organized fireworks at the parking. So they told people to go out and go and watch fireworks outside. They moved out. So after the fireworks display, they were told to go back. That is where the stampede started, because they were rushing. Everybody was rushing inside back for the concert to continue. And the stampede was the stampede issued, and five people, mostly children, juveniles, were stepped on. Suffocation entered in, and instantly five children died. 2 were seriously, they could not breathe. So they were rushed to the nearby clinic around Freedom City. And on reaching the clinic, they also were pronounced dead. So the total was 5. But as others were being rushed to Mulago, they couldn't reach. So the total raised to 9. So 9 people were confirmed dead. And we have opened up a general inquiry file to investigate circumstances. Why couldn't they have done